Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to scan documents on your iPhone as PDF and then send those documents via your email. So what you want to do is open up the Notes application and you just want to create a brand new note by just tapping the create button right here. And then you just want to activate the keyboard and then tap on the camera and you see right here, scan documents, tap on this one and you'll be brought to this scan documents page. So I just have this mail right here and I'm going to move the camera down. So all you need to do is just bring your camera over. It should automatically recognize the document. So you can see it's taken a picture. And let's take a look at this one. If we tap on it, you can see the preview right here. Now, what we can do as well is we can crop this image around so you can see you'll be brought to this. And then you can move where each point is. If, let's say, the automatic document detection didn't work correctly. And so, if you're good to go, just tap on done. Otherwise, just tap on retake. So I'm just going to tap on done right here. Then I'm going to tap on save. And this is the scan document right here. So this is a PDF. It will automatically scan as PDF. And if you want to send this via email, what you do is just tap on the document inside of the Notes application. Tap on the share. And you see right here, mail. Just tap on mail. And you'll be brought to the mail application. Now, I'm not signed in. However, for you, it will start a new email. And inside of the attachments, your PDF will be there. All you need to do is just send a regular email and the PDF will be available. And really, that's all there is to it. So I just want to double check here. If I just tap on the share, this is confirmation. This is PDF document. If you want to as well, you can tap on markup and this will allow you to, edit the PDF document if you would like to. It's not adding text. It's really just adding, drawings and stuff like that. But if you want that, then that's also available as well. And if you want to save this to the files application, tap on share, save the files, and then you're good to go. And if you want to print, just tap on the print option right there. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.